Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you a product I've been testing out here with the flock for the last couple of weeks called Miracle Skin Salve from GreatWoodManor.com. I'm really loving this product. This is something great just always to have on hand, like in your first aid kit or where you have all your emergency type of supplies for your birds. It's more than just a salve. It's not just for emergencies to use as a salve, although it's great. But for those minor irritations, it also serves as a great beak and foot conditioner. See, he's got his foot up, he's ready for some. I've also been testing it on myself, like for example with mosquito bites. I swear it takes the itch away. Although that's not what it's marketed for, I'm just sharing with you other uses that this great salve has. Just a dab will do. Apparently it also serves as a great little snack. The Miracle Skin Salve is made with some great bird-safe ingredients such as coconut oil, calendula, dandelion leaf and root, lemongrass, chamomile, and cucumber. Look at that shine.